What are you doing?
I'm probably here. Getting distracted. Getting help. So bye. Can you show one of my movies on?
Okay, you want to say goodbye to everybody on the movie?
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, Grandma.
And bye, Daddy.
And Daddy, and Nana, and Kylie, and Grandpa,
Bye, Grandpa.
and Dawn,
Bye, Dawn.
Brianna,
Bye, Brianna.
Brian,
Bye, Brian.
Grandmother.
Bye, Grandmother, because you're not feeling good. And who else?
Did you say bye, Nana?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye, Nana. But I still didn't like.
Is Maya giving you hugs?
What?
Maya was giving you hugs.
What?
Maya was giving you hugs just now.
Why?
Because she loves you.
I don't want